Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Amanda and I'm from Amanda Crochets, and in today's video I'm going to give you the yarn haul from Premier Yarns. The Premier Yarns has quickly become one of my favorite yarns, whether it's the Everyday DK, the Everyday Worsted Weight, the Premier Basics Chenille, or the Parfait Chunky, or even just their Basics line. They have a lot of good quality yarn at really affordable prices, and they always have different deals and sales going on, so I highly recommend checking them out. I'm not sure if they're in every store. I know they have been in a few stores, but you can find a lot of their stuff on their website, premieryarns.com. And I'm going to leave a link in the description box below the video where you can earn some money off of your very first purchase. Before we get into the yarn haul today, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to see all future videos by me. That would really help and support my channel. So let's get into today's video where I show you everything I picked up from Premier Yarns. So the yarn that I'm going to be talking to you about today is the Premier Anti-Pilling Everyday DK. I really like working with this yarn, especially for baby blankets and other baby items, because it's super soft and it's super easy to work with. Each skein is 273 yards, 250 meters, 3.5 ounces or 100 grams, and it is 100% anti-pilling acrylic. And like I said, it's super soft. This is considered a number 3 lightweight yarn, and for the knitting needles you need a size US 6 or 4 millimeter, and for the crocheters you need a US G6 or 4 millimeter. And the wash and dry instructions are machine wash, warm, tumble dry, normal. So this is an excellent yarn for baby products, like I said, for people who have sensitivity to different fibers. This is not going to be irritating to their skin. This is machine wash and dryable, so it's easy care, and you can make this for anybody in your family, for yourself. If you are somebody like me who also makes a lot of items for charity, this is a perfect yarn for that. And if you are interested in making items for charity but not really sure where to donate, I do have a link in the description box below to the charity organization that I belong to. All you have to do is answer a few questions and then you're in with our Facebook group. So if you would like to join that group, feel free to do so. We do 4 charities a year and donate to some wonderful local organizations. And this color is aqua, so I bought 5 skeins of this color. And like I said, it's just a really, really pretty blue color. So I thought that was very pretty to work with. So I got 5 skeins of that. The next color that I picked up was this really pretty purple color. I don't often work with purple, but I really wanted to give this a try. And this is color African Violet, and it's a lighter purple color. So I already have a project in mind for this, so hopefully I can get that started up very soon. The next color I have is this really pretty color here, and it's showing up a little brighter on camera, but it's a dusty rose color, and I have 5 skeins of this. That African Violet, I have 4 skeins, but this dusty rose color, it's kind of like, it is a rose color, but it's a little bit more muted than it's showing up on camera. It's a little bright and sunny here today, so that's why it's showing up a little bit brighter on camera, but it's a little bit more muted. So that's Dusty Rose, and I have 5 skeins of that color. I have this pretty blue here, and I have used this in a recent project, so I knew I had to buy some more. And this is color Sky, and it's this really pretty light blue color. I fell in love with this color, so like I said, I had to get more of this for a full baby blanket, and I bought 5 skeins of this color. I have 2 skeins of this color, and this is just the white color, And I plan on making a baby blanket, probably in that African violet color, and putting a pretty white border on it. So I'm not exactly sure just yet, but I bought 2 skeins of white just to accent one of the blankets I make in a border. And like I said, Premier Yarns has a lot of good sales, so when I got an email about this particular yarn being on sale, I was like, okay, I definitely have to stock up on that. They have really good sales, and as far as their shipping times, it could vary. Usually they say their shipping times is 7 to 10 business days. I believe I got my yarn in 5 days, so depends, like I said, where you are, but I really, really like this yarn a lot, and they come in a variety of different colors to choose from. So if you like pinks, creams, blues, greens, yellows, they even have some of the brighter colors. They have more neutral colors like the browns and whatnot. So there's definitely a bunch of different colors to choose from, and plenty of sales that they usually have throughout the different weeks as well. So stay tuned for those sales. And last but not least, I picked up 5 skeins of cream. I thought this would be a very pretty neutral blanket as well. And I do have projects in mind for all of these colors. So like I said, please be sure to come back to my channel and see what I make with all these beautiful colors. So have you ever tried this yarn before? Have you ever bought from Premier Yarns before? Let me know in the comment section below. I would love to know. And if you have tried it, what are some of your favorite colors? Maybe there's some colors out there that I just haven't tried yet and I would be interested in trying. So let me know in the comment section below. Thank you so much for joining me today on this little yarn haul from Premier Yarns. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please like, comment, and subscribe to see all future videos by me. And as always, happy crocheting! Bye!